Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how do you clean your TikTok cache without opening the TikTok application. So here, make sure you are in a home screen and find the application right in the home screen. Let's find a TikTok application without leaving the screen. Okay, so here I already in a application, but I am still in the screen, okay, in the home screen. And after that, you just need to click the application, but don't let the fingers out from the screen. So after you click it, just stay and hold the application, and after that there will be appear several features that. Okay, so click and hold. Okay, so now oopsie. Okay, wait a minute, go click and hold. Okay, now you already have an access into several tools that provided by the iPhone. This called a shortcut, so you can just run this instruction without opening the application. Since you want to clear the cache, just click clear cache, and then you will be generated into the TikTok. And now you can just click everything that you want to clear in TikTok application. That's all the way how you clear the TikTok cache without opening or do it manually on a TikTok application. And if you find out this tutorial is really useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.